In Ghana, coconut oil is one of the resources we have in the country, and it has an influence on our Ghanaian economy as well. It also generates great income to the country. According to OEC Reporters website, in 2020, Ghana exported $2.3 million of coconut oil and imported $1.6 million to the country. In Ghana, there are two main regions that plant coconut tree and also in the oil production business. They are Volta and Western region. For some time now, coconut fruit has become very scarce in the country, making it difficult to produce the oil. So what will make a country with so much coconut tree suffer from getting coconut fruit to the extent of coconut oil being sold at higher amounts? So I went back to the village to find out what could be the cause. So before I start, let me say this. Few months ago, there was a huge depreciation of the Ghanaian currency, which led to some economic crisis, which also affected the price of everything, including coconut oil. So I'm in Nuba, in the Western region, heading towards Hafasin to find out some of the causes, since there's a lot of coconut tree in that district. But what I heard during my conversation with some of the farmers was so shocking. This is what some of the farmers were saying, and I quote, "We prefer to sell the coconut fruit than to make oil with it, because the fruit gives us more money than the oil. And the Nigerians also love to buy the fruit, so we sell to them." On our way back, we saw this cargo truck they are loading to Nigeria full of coconuts. I also spoke to one of the ladies who produces coconut oil, especially the virgin oil, and this is what she had to say.
What about you try to work on the way to rubber?
Adam, I don't know what
baby one could turn home. One crabber.
Yes, so you may bet 10,000. You know, would and rubber.
Ah, answer. Answer.
I am for away the mountain.
Oh,
Rubber from rubber pet. Now, one out an assassin. Into what a zook be Jim Pan or rubber phone. Wolucha.
Man, this is serious.
This time rubber phone. I'm glad to put it soon now. War, Sikan, what battle I will be in anyone. Ah, Wotia. Sikana rubber abeni hia na wotatu ehun de this year nkokọ no aye na pa
yeah
because abi ohwo na ye nu na ye ze ye ho ni na awo nu wa ato wodua no rubber.
Oh na fine mumpemfu na wodare no won ka hwe
ye kwashama cancer awona mpemfu ne mu hye dem ade tam bia ye komprema wande
ade no okodo
si da ye kode na okodo odo na ahemfu kasa okasa pa sisi akakokosa dem so de no panyin ne mangwafuo be 30 posts maam kam ye mu oduma ne ye dua banchen wom ye dua buadu wom na de ye ho oduma na mangwa na nkasa no manwom agrikafo be obedunduru bi spread na ade odua salom mangwa ontum so papa na ewu sisi akọhwe aban woju motu mama motu kar kom na wakọ akacho woju mangwa ni na wotu rubber
oh
ahemfo adam na wode hen.
Oh, Jadam Sudan, you. Nature was a day in Choy.
I'm a Cubiano. So could be 4 Mocas, so be me. Baby will be a 6,000. It be a 5,000. Baby will could be for soon at 10,000. No, what you would John Robin, a better name you could be beato. Man, piano buyers. Wah. And then Miss Afro, where you do so. I'm going to know if I have an 8,000 woman there about 1 million. Also a pipe sicano. What to do? Number 2, now, them could be an assassin or G. Oye mwa asasa na de oye asasa odo de wa kube efufudo amuye da bi obi no wa ka ha
wa ha asasa no
asasa afihye bia wutie ho ade
na still
no ibu wa afi ibu tie 5 million ibi ibu tie 6 million asasa na hu de
yeah
ba ne wo ba no wa bugonwa na wa aja ma rubber fu because rubber ni na no
okay skapi
no azere
no ya brofa na de bibifo
no wa ba no wo bobo hinanwa na wodua rubber ma ku bia metu dey what training I go do and rubber.
Man, this is serious. I think this video has to go a bit viral for authorities to see what's going over here in Shamam. These ladies over here are into oil production, coconut oil production, being the virgin and normal coconut oil. And this discussion they're making over here is really sad, like heartbreaking. And how can you be cutting down coconuts and selling them to plantation, rubber plantation? Man, this is really sad. It's really sad. So all these factors, all this makes has increased the price of the coconut oil to this amount that we have right now. Your friend, what's me so that's in the price no coupon because me try no se be no 400 to be them. Echi within na price na cost you answer.
Okay, class one about 1.5. Now 1.5 here 15 million.
But Pocho na okay. If I don't cost you to or cost na.
What to could be
But when they friend a chema with abrochi ban and kibia dollar no affecting now could be Ghana so but then could be auto affecting them.
Ekuafo no. Wo hu nimpa different ho da wa aba. Sisi ade mu no kokofeku sisi ade kota Obaka cho de bia waje 11.5.
Kufa gallon.
What on 10 million? Obaka cho de waje 10.5 and
11 million because we all win to know.
What the betro. Wow. Say wo bia na ba wo sisi ara botada. Wo hu nipa fufu de nyima. Wo nim da ade no.
Our question but this is about the dollar na abu from kakra.
Na sisi a fright was aje. Ma me baby yan kubi no store. Ka fa wo. Eyi ba. What on 5.5. How there could be our motor 9 million.
Wow.
We are on fright on 9 million. What?
Wow. So I like they sell the 25 liters for 11 million of coconut oil. Okay, only a pure one. Veg, normal one, only
9 million. 8.5.
It depends, you know. Wow. Asemo nti that means kwafo na o ma ade no koso
bibiano ba nda na wan so moto ngam na wo ye
the transportation for the boys bonya wan mo export in fabro chimba nti you don kokoso dem put them too much
what's petrol wato makafa kubie
metase petrol otu no metase but you don come wo don koso too much because
da me bia makafa kubie adna abluma agba makafa kubie na rando no ojum 6 million
okay
dan kubie makafa ojum 12 million.
Wow. It's really sad that those in authorities are the one killing us and also the selfish interests of some of the farmers as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video and also give you an insight about why coconut oil price is skyrocketing. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share for more updates. I'm out.